Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. All praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds. Peace be upon Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I hope everyone is well. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Allah. Today I am talking about how to read CT scan of brain filming study. So let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. All praise be to Allah. This is nasal septum. This is nasal cavity. Right, left, inferior nasal concha. Right, left, maxillary sinus. Nasopharynx. Right, left, masseter muscle. Spinal cord. Nasal septum. Right, left, maxillary sinus. Nasopharynx. Medial pterygoid plate. Lateral pterygoid plate. Medial pterygoid muscle. Lateral pterygoid muscle. Temporalis muscle. Mandible. Masseter muscles. Odontoid process situ. Spinal cord. This is mastoid process. Nasal septum. Right, left, maxillary sinus. Nasopharynx. Medial and lateral pterygoid plate. Medial pterygoid muscle, lateral pterygoid muscle, temporalis muscle, masseter muscle. This is mandible. Mastoid process, right, left. This is spinal cord. Nasal bone, nasal septum. Right, left, maxillary sinus. Nasopharynx. Pterygoid bone, right, left. Temporalis muscle. Lateral pterygoid muscle. Mandibular condyle. Medulla oblongata. Mastoid ear cell. Nasal bone. Right, left. Ethmoid ear cell. Lens, right, left. Vitreous humerus, right, left. Medulla oblongata. Cerebellar tonsil, right, left. External auditory canal, right, left. Mastoid ear cell, right, left. Nasal bone, globe, right, left. Ethmoid ear cell, right, left. Medial rectus muscle, right, left. Medulla oblongata. Right cerebral hemisphere, left cerebral hemisphere. Cisterna magna. External auditory canal, right, left. Right and left cerebral hemisphere. Cisterna magna. Right, left, mastoid ear cell. Pinna, left, right. Frontal sinus. Ethmoid ear cell, right, left. Sphenoid sinus. Optic nerve. Medial rectus muscle, lateral rectus muscle. Right, left, temporal lobe. Right, left, cerebral hemisphere. Cisterna magna. Right, left, mastoid ear cell. This is fons. Frontal sinus, Kista gilli, olfactory bulb, superior rectus muscle, right, left, sphenoid sinus, right, left, temporal lobe, pons, prefrontal angle, right, left, cerebral hemisphere, fourth ventricle, right, left, mastoid tear cell. This is cisterna magna. Frontal sinus, frontal lobe, right, left, temporal lobe, pituitary gland. This is pons, left pons infarct, fourth ventricle, right, left, cerebral hemisphere, right, left, mastoid tear cell, frontal lobe, anterior communicating artery, right, middle cerebral artery, left, middle cerebral artery, suprasellar cistern, ambient cistern, quadgeminal cistern, interpeduncular cistern, basilar artery, right, left, temporal lobe, pons, right, left, cerebral hemisphere. This is transverse sinus, right, left, frontal lobe, Salvian fissure, right, left, temporal lobe, right, left, cerebellar vermis, midbrain. This is occipital lobe, frontal lobe, right, left, anterior horn of lateral ventricle, Salvian fissure, right, left, third ventricle, cerebellar vermis, occipital lobe. This is temporal lobe, right, left, flux cerebri, cingulate sulcus, frontal lobe, zeno of the corpus callosum, anterior horn of lateral ventricle, right, left, caudate nucleus, right, left, right internal capsule, left internal capsule, right external capsule, left internal capsule, insula, right, left, thalamus, right, left. This is third ventricle, calcified pineal gland, temporal lobe, right, left. This is occipital lobe, anterior limb of internal capsule, genu of internal capsule, posterior limb of internal capsule. This is potamen and this is globus pallidus. Flux cerebri, frontal lobe, genu of corpus callosum, anterior horn of lateral ventricle, right, left, thalamus, right internal capsule, left internal capsule, posterior horn of lateral ventricle, parietal lobe, right, left, occipital lobe, insula, right, left, flux cerebri, frontal lobe, right, left, anterior horn of lateral ventricle, right, left, thalamus, splenium of corpus callosum, parietal lobe, right, left, This is occipital lobe, superior sagittal sinus. Frontal lobe, flexus cerebri, parietal lobe, right, left. Body of lateral ventricle, right, left. This is choroid plexus, right, left. This is occipital lobe, superior sagittal sinus. This is corner radiator, right, left. Frontal lobe, body of corpus callosum, body of the lateral ventricle, right, left. This is parietal lobe and this is occipital lobe and corner radiator, right, left. Flexus cerebri, superior sagittal sinus. This is corner radiator, right, left. Flexus cerebri, frontal lobe, parietal lobe and occipital lobe, superior sagittal sinus. Centrum semioval, right, left. Flexus cerebri. This is frontal lobe and this is parietal lobe. This is superior sagittal sinus. Frontal lobe, parietal lobe, flexus cerebri, superior sagittal sinus, central sulcus, frontal lobe, parietal lobe, flexus cerebri, superior sagittal sinus. This is frontal lobe and parietal lobe, flexus cerebri, superior sagittal sinus. Frontal lobe, parietal lobe, flexus cerebri, superior sagittal sinus. Allah Hafiz, goodbye.